Sino ho ang punong abala dito, Sec Manny? Sino ang nagpaplano ho nito sa traffic management? Kaninong toka yon?
Kaya kami attend with MMDA and DOTR para sa bus lanes nila.
Okay. And sir, ito ho ay almost 26 kilometers na stretch. Meron na ba kayong particular
26
Opo, meron na ho ba kayong particular na segment na uunahin dito o you will start from ito 'di ba southbound lang ho daw muna? Paano po ang simula
Southbound
saan?
muna, Ted.
Mm.
Southbound muna. And ito nga yung ini-schedule namin kung saan yung mas madali ng konti na gagawin. Yung may mga, halimbawa, meron yung mga segments na meron yung pwede gumamit ng alternate routes muna.
Mhm.
And then, yung mga medyo difficult sections na wala talagang alternate route, yun ang ihuhuli namin siguro, Ted. Yung mga ganun yung arrangements na ginagawa namin with MMDA.
Opo. Ito ho ba'y by administration o awarded na po ang kontrata nito, Secretary?
It's in the process of procurement and bidding for the time being, Ted.
Opo. And ano po ang requirement dito? Kahit totally ho ba i-reblock ang buong, may magkakaroon ng reconcreting ng buong EDSA o yung portion na maaayos pa i-retain? Paano po ang inyong plano, Sec?
Well, I think ang assessment namin dito since the pavement of EDSA is more than 50 years, ang namin dito is anytime soon naman. But sa lagay ko, most of the existing pavements in EDSA now will have to be replaced.
Oo, so talaga pong babakbakin ito at malaking trabaho. Kapag po southbound muna ang uunahin, meron na bang ideya at least ito pong inyong mga kasama sa nagpaplano kung sa southbound pa lang ilan ng buwan ang kakaining oras nun?
It may take, kasi it's going to be segmental yung pag-ano namin dito, so we cannot close all lanes actually, Ted, and it will be on phases. So we're trying ang timetable namin dito, so without too much disturbing the traffic, by segmental construction ang gagawin namin. It may take the whole year actually for the southbound na gagawin.
Oo, the whole
the whole year, and then dito naman kami sa northbound, same thing, ganun din ang mangyayari.
Opo, at ano ho ang mode ng construction dito? 24 hours na trabaho ba ito?
Yeah, I think 24 hours, and there will be titingnan namin kung we can employ or we can actually engage several construction segments actually all at the same time. Yung hindi masyadong nakakaabala ng traffic para mas mabilis.
Opo. So,
kasi meron din kaming timetable na hinahabol kasi because of the ASEAN meeting dito sa Philippines in 2026.
Okay. So, when you say total rehab na po ito, as in, wala na po kayong iiwang pang portion dyan na eventually subject for reblocking. Ganun po ang usapan.
So yes, that is the intention, Ted. I think for the next 10-15 years, siguro dapat wala na reblocking niya.
Opo. At may asphalt overlay po ito sa Gitari, di po ba?
That's correct. Yes. Meron. Meron para may smoothen yung riding quality.
Okay. And then, Sec, paano po dito yung pong trabaho sa tag-ulan, na-anticipate nyo na po iyon?
Yun na nga, Ted, ang kuha namin dito. That is why I think ang estimate nga namin dito, yung tag-ulan has been taken into account. Kaya sabi ko, baka mag-aabot kami ng the whole year of 2025 so dito do the entire stretch lang southbound. Considering also the weather conditions, actually anticipated weather conditions actually during the rainy season.
Opo. Dito ho, kasi ho ngayon meron ng mga perennial areas diyan na kaunting thunderstorm po agad tumataas, no? Sa harap ng Camp Aguinaldo, dito po sa
Exactly.
opo, itong mga lugar na ito, yun ho ba papaano po ang konstruksyon sa drainage system nun? Kasi mukhang malaki pong trabaho iyon, Secretary.
Yun na nga yung TED, yun ang ano namin, that we have to install the effective drainage system already along EDSA, lalong-lalo na yung mga flood-prone areas yan. Alam naman natin yung mga flood-prone areas, perennially flood areas yan. So, titingnan na namin yung drainage system para ma-abate na natin yung mga flooding during the rainy season. TED, yun ang plano natin.
Okay. And then, sir, saan po manggagaling ang budget nito at meron na ba kayong estimate for the entire rehabilitation budget?
We have allocated actually yung ano natin for 2025, yung initial fund for the southbound, no? For the southbound portion, so whatever we need, kung ano yung maabot yung pera namin for the southbound, yun ang gagawin natin. But I think we should be able to substantially complete southbound with the budget that has already been allocated for 2025.
Opo. Would you, do you remember po, Sec, mga magkano po itong for 2025 budget po para sa southbound lang po lamang ng EDSA Rehab?
If I'm not mistaken, it's already about 7 billion now.
7 billion.
Yes,
Tama po? 7 billion. Opo.
yes, yes.
Okay, 7 billion solely po ito, pure budget po ito ng DPWH o meron pong counterpart dito
Budget ng DPWH po. This is going to be purely locally funded.
I see. Okay. And then ang DOTR ho ba walang ambag dito para sa kanilang busway?
In-include na namin sa ano nila. Kasi it's the entire EDSA naman is actually the responsibility of DPWH.